let's compare two of the most popular lead databases out there, Lusha versus LeadsForge. We'll cover the data, ease of use, pricing, and all of that good stuff. So starting with database size, Lusha only has 100 million contacts in the lead database. This includes companies and people. LeadsForge has 5 times more, 500 million prospect profiles, which is 500 million, right? So it has a lot more leads to choose from to find more leads. As in search, Lusha use advanced filters like industry, job title to find your ideal customers based on your ideal customer profile. So you can filter out role, right? Location, probably industry, job title, all of that good stuff to focus on the exact lead you want. For LeadsForge, you can do that, but the primary way of finding leads is just by describing the lead you want to an AI just in the natural language search, right? You just say, oh, I want a head of content and chief content officer in the UK with in companies with this many employees, and it gets you, right? If you want, you can always tell it, no, I changed my mind, let's do that, or filter down even more by telling it, but it also has filters, so you can filter out if you want to do it old-fashioned way. Both of the platforms integrate with other platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, all of that good stuff. LeadsForge is also part of the Forge stack, meaning you have seamless integration with WarmForge, InfoForge, MailForge, PrimeForge, and Salesforce, right? So you can jump between these tools without any issues. And lastly, the pricing. Lusha is a bit cheaper at $29 or $30 a month for 250 credits. Now, when you look at it, actually, it's not cheaper at all because LeadsForge at $49 gives you 2,000 export credits. So it's a lot more, right? You will need to pay around $250 to get the same amount of credits now, but both of them have credit-based plans, meaning you get credits, you pay per contact. If you want more, you can just increase the amount of credits you get. And both of the apps have free plans. So for LeadsForge, you get 100 free credits if you sign up, and Lusha, you get 40 free credits. Now, if you want to use any of these platforms, I'll leave a tutorial right here showing how to use these platforms to actually get leads based on your lookalike leads, normal leads, company followers, whatever it is. So check it out.